Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how we can generate some random numbers. So just so you know, these are pseudo random numbers. They are not truly random, but they are close. Maybe if you need to roll a six-sided dice for a game, well then this would work perfect. To generate some random numbers, we'll need initialize the random number generated by typing sran set in parentheses. After parentheses we have to type semicolon. Within this sran function, we will need a seed. What programmers typically do is that they will use the current calendar time as a seed. Within the parentheses, type time. Just type time. Then again parentheses. Within the parentheses, pass in null. I'll store the first random number within the variable int num equal. To generate a random number, we invoke the rand function. Then I'll display this. Let's take a look to see what we have. Standard, right? Then type standard cout. Now, okay, save the program and hit run. There you are. The random number that we have is 11818. Before that, we had the random number 11802. We can run again and again, and we will get a random number every time. Now, third time, what we have? Let's wait and see. It's 11900. That's the random number. Using the rand function, this will generate a random number between 0 to 32,767. But we don't necessarily need a number that large. I just need to roll a six-sided dice. Well, what we are going to do is follow this with modulus, then the range of numbers we would like. If I'm rolling a six-sided dice, I'll type modulus 6. Just type here before this function modulus 6. Modulus gives you the remainder of any division. So take whatever number we roll, divide it by 6, take that number, the remainder of, and that's our number. But there is one issue with this. Just save the program and hit run, then you will get to see that we have random number within 6, not more than that. Like 0, we have 3. Whenever you will just run the program, and it will just go ahead and divide that modulo that number, the random generated number, by 6, then we will get the random number of that range. Now we have 0, then we have 3, we have 2, right? Technically the range of number is currently 0 through 5. If we need 1 through 6, what we can do is add 1 right here plus 1, and make sure to put all of this into a single parenthesis. Okay, now save and hit run to check. This should give us a random number between 1 to 6. There it is, 6. We have 6, we have 5. You have to run it multiple times to check if it's giving you the random number or not. We had tried 5, we had 6, now we have 2. We can run one more time to check what it gives. Now we have 2, right? It's random number, it's giving it's 2 and 2, right? It's 4. There you are with 4. So I tend to play a lot of dragons and dragons. We have played Ludo multiple times, right? Where we get random number between 1 to 6, and we can now would like to need a random number between 1 and 20. Then we can do one thing. I would say rand function a modulus of 20, right? Because we need a number between 1 to 20. Then save the program and hit run. And now it will give a random number between 1 to 20. And let's see what we get. It's 12. There you are, right? With 12. And we can run one more time. There you are with 11. Maybe you need a random number between 1 and 100. You can write random function modulus of 100. Then you can get, just hit run to see what you will get. It should give a random function number in between 1 to 100. Now we have 8, right? We can run again to see. There you are. We have 44, right? Now, if we want to roll 3 six-sided dice, I'm going to create 3 variables. Let's write num1, then modulo of 6, because it's 6-sided dice, right? Then it's ran1. Then we can go ahead, because we need 3 dices, ran2, num2, sorry. Then we can go ahead and write ran3, sorry, num3. Okay. Let's just display num1. Then I'll display new line, add new line character right here. Okay, and then do this 2 more times for num2 and num3. Let's type here 2 and then 3. So our three dice that we are rolling are, just save the program, then see what result would be. If there you are, we have 5, 2, 6. Three dice is rolling at once, then we are getting 5, 2, 6. We can hit run again to see another result. There you are. We have 6, 1, 1, right? Yeah, everybody, that's how to generate some random number. That is pseudo random numbers. They are not truly random, but they are close. If you have a simple game you are working on, this would work perfectly. Well, yeah, that's how to generate some random numbers in C++. Thank you for watching.